If only my ass would jump as much as my hair. Hey beauties, it's Viviana, and today, what's with people and curling their hair with every single thing except actual curlers that's made to curl their hair with? One day you might need to curl your hair and you don't have any actual curlers, or an old t-shirt to cut up, or a long scarf, or even 1,000 bobby pins. But as though divine intervention, you're gonna have a bunch of long socks sitting around and you'll thank me then. I'm sure there are a lot of sock curl tutorials sitting around here on YouTube. I even did one back in the day when my hair was relaxed, some long time ago. Today I'm going to show you how I got heatless curls looking like this. So first I'm going to start with air dried hair. And I could just follow along with my own tutorial. But what inspired this tutorial today is a video I saw on the trending page from 123go.
First, take a good chunk of hair and separate it from the rest. Now, tie the sock to the midpoint of the desired strand. Make sure it's on tight. Now wrap the rest of the strand around the remaining hanging material. Easy, right? When you get to the bottom, tie it with an elastic. Once you've done both sides, your job is practically done.
So I have here 4 pairs of football socks. And I decided to get football socks because they're longer than regular socks. And it seemed like a good option. So I'm gonna try to complete this style with only 8 sections.
Yeah, I know they only used 2 sections, but for my hair, 8 sections thick.
So in the video, they started their sock curl on dry hair. But I'm starting my sock curl on freshly washed hair that is about 50% air dried. And the only thing I have in it right now is my leave-in conditioner and a little bit of shea butter. And a little bit of shea butter. That should be enough product. Or I might add more later. So I'm going to be adding my curling cream and my foaming mousse.
First, take a good chunk of hair and separate it from the rest. Now, tie the sock to the midpoint of the desired strand. Make sure it's on tight.
Yes, I know. I'm a delinquent and I haven't followed the instructions. However, if I want any chance of my roots drawing straight, I have to put tension on it and hence tie the sock close to the root.
Alright, so now I'm just going to simply wrap the hair around the sock. Some extra product to the ends.
When you get to the bottom, tie it with an elastic.
Well, firstly, I wouldn't call that an elastic, but whatever you want to call it. You can even see she didn't apply her rubber band to the ends of her hair. It was more close to the ends, but not like to the ends. And that's fine, but because I need tension on my ends for it to dry smoothly, I decided to tie the sock over the ends of my hair instead.
And since this is the front of my hair, I want to be curling the hair going back. I always advise that you put a section right at the crown of your head because this is the curls that you're going to separate and it's going to cover all the part. So all the parting you're going to make at the bottom of your head, the back right here, this top
crown section will cover that part, even if you don't separate it if you don't blend it very well. So I'm going to separate that crown section right now.
All 8 sock curls complete. Now let's allow this hair to completely dry and let's see what kind of curls we get. Hopefully by now my hair is completely dried, and yes, it did take a while. So I'm really hoping that these curls turn out nice. And yeah, let's pull out the front sock first. It dry. Whoa! Look how juicy these curls look! Ah! Okay, yeah, this one looks a little sad, but look at this one. So I'm going to add a little anti-frizz serum to my hair, and let's fluff it up and see how the final results look. And because my sections are so huge, my hair is really prone to frizzing. So I'm going to just take my time and separate each section, just lightly.
If you've been enjoying this video and you haven't skipped a thing, answer this question to be featured in my next intro.
Can you believe this? Socks got me these curls. I love this look. And I forgot to tell you guys the best part. Sleeping on socks is so much more comfortable than sleeping on regular rollers. All I did was to put my satin cap over my head and go right to bed. Nothing was poking me, joking me, hurting my head. I slept fine. Look how bouncy it is. Look how bouncy it is. Look how bouncy, 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 bouncy. I love this. I love it. Anyway, beauties, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed this style, and give me a thumbs up if you did. If you're new to this channel and you haven't decided from this one video that you want to subscribe, it's maybe because you didn't expect you'd like watching someone put sock in their hair and then take it back out. Accept who you have become and subscribe. But if you're still not quite sure, I'll leave some more of my videos up in the iCards so you can watch more, get more familiar with my channel, and then after watching like 2 or 3 more videos, just embrace the fact that you belong here and just subscribe. Okay, beauties, thanks again for watching. Bye! Mwah. Bye bye sounds so final. Later! Mwah.